Alright, so this video I'm going to go over content and how to access the content. There are 3 ways to get content on your page, meaning like the pictures or the images. So the first way is on the bottom here. This is where you can get content. Let's say I'm on a page and I need to double check to see if another student is using the same pictures or not. This is very important because you don't want to use the same picture 2-3 times, right? You're going to use it 1 time. So what you can do is click on the picture, right click it, and find in content. If you do that, what's going to happen is it's going to tell me where the picture is located. So when I did that, see, it tells me it's in the Mythicon file, and if you scroll down, you can find that picture. Okay, do it one more time. Find in content. There we go. It's right there. So see this little green number here? This tells me how many times this picture has been used. If there's a 2, that means it's been used 2, 3, etc. You only can use it 1 time. So make sure that when you look that the picture has not been used. Another way you can access content, let's say you're not doing a search button, but you can go over to the content view and I can scroll down. Let's say I'm looking for a picture in what is that one under? Events. Open events. Okay. And when I open it, I can now see all the pictures that have been used or haven't been used. So make sure you guys are saving frequently so that this gets updated while we are using it together live. All right, so notice that all these pictures here, green, 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 means those pictures have been used. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a different picture. These are none of these are Mythicon, but I will upload those. So let's say I want to grab this picture here, and then I want to add it in. Scale to fit or unscaled, up to you. Let's do scale to fit. Okay, so that's 1, 2. Third way to find content, okay, is up here. So let me minimize this. Okay, up here. I can go to content, and this is pretty much the bigger version of the content, so you can see everything on here. So everything is already categorized. Everything's already categorized, so you want to make sure that you search or look on the left hand side to find the picture that you want. Okay, you can also find it by file name. Okay, so if you know the file name in Google Drive or Team Drive, then you can just type in that and it will pull it up as well. But you'll see it here. So here you have a plus button. I know I have pictures in events, so I'm going to use that one. I'm going to do plus. Okay, there's nothing in Fall Fest right now. That's where there's no numbers, but there's pictures in Mythicon. And you would just look at the pictures here that you can decide which pictures you want to use. Notice that these pictures are very similar, so you try not to use those too often because they're kind of similar. Unless you zoom in on just one person, then it should be okay. Sometimes if you're using pictures twice, and let's say you're only focusing on one person at a time. So if I zoom into one student here, okay, and I use the picture again for this person on a different page, that's okay because you're technically not using this. You're using the same picture but not the same people, which is okay. And that's it. That's how you access content.